that is your terms relating to branding. So there are particular terms that we need to understand when we talk about branding. Number one, brand. A brand is a name, term, sign, symbol, design, or some combination of them used to identify the products, goods or services of sellers and to differentiate them from those of the competitors. So what is happening here is, no, you should not, you don't have to write this. You can just write down the headings, the subheadings. Right, so what is happening here is it is a brand is nothing but it could be a name, it could be a sign, symbol, or whatever it is that is trying to differentiate the product, right? It is trying to tell us what the product is or who does the product belong to. Then comes your brand name. Brand name is something, when you look at a brand, the words that you can tell is a brand name that can be spoken, right? So a brand has a lot of components to it. Few of the components we cannot tell, few of the components we can speak it out, and that is the brand name. Then comes your brand mark, that part of the brand which can be recognized but which is not utterable. So when you see this, when you see a brand name आप बोल सकते हैं, brand mark आप recognize कर सकते हैं, लेकिन आप बता नहीं सकते हैं brand mark, right? Then comes your trademark, a brand or a part of a brand that is given legal protection. Okay, trademark. Trademark, what was I talking about? A brand or a part of a brand that is given legal protection is called trademark. So in case I have a trademark on my brand, no one else in the world can use it. And in case someone uses it, what can I do? Absolutely right. We can sue them. So I have exclusive rights. Legal action, yes. Sue him, yes. Some people are saying legal action. Some people are saying yes. Absolutely right. So what happens when I have a trademark? I have exclusive rights to my brand and the name and the symbol, and no one else can use it or imitate it. Okay. As you can see here in this Asian Paints. Asian Paints is the Asian Paint is the Asian Paints is a brand. Asian Paints is the brand name, and the sign that you see over there, that knot or anything, that is your what is that? Internet current allow. Brand mark, absolutely right. The same goes with your Nestle. Nestle is your brand name, right? Then you see those choo choo birds, those are your brand mark. And then of course you have your TikTok, right? TikTok is the name, and then there is matlab, I will give you time.